this video, I talked about how to subscribe and invest in BDO UITFs. Now, I'll be showing you kung paano naman mag-withdraw or redeem ng investments or gains ninyo. To know more about UITFs, don't forget to check the links on the description box below. On my previous video, I also talked about beginner tips and kung worth it nga ba mag-invest dito. On the BDO website, go to Investments, Funds, Invest Online. Log in using your BDO Online username and password. Enter your OTP and click Submit. So makikita nyo dito yung dashboard and our portfolio. We have our invested amount and our gains na around 2,600 pesos. In order to redeem your investment, go to Transactions, UITF, EIP, Redemption. Select your account and the fund. So it says here, hindi na valid yung account because kailangan i-update yung IPQ or CSA. As you can see, di makaka-proceed if you don't update it first. So click update. Fill up the questionnaire according to your preferences, then click submit. This can only be submitted once every 3 years, so make sure to review before you continue. For those na nanood ng previous video ko about the 4-year update and how to subscribe, mapapansin nyo nag-fill up din ako dun. That was on a different account. Kaya kailangan ko ulit mag-fill up for this one. So once okay na, click I agree. You'll see 2 IPQ scores, yung previous and the current one. So, ang result ko is konti lang ang difference sa score. And balanced pa din ang risk profile. Kaya same ang general investment approach and recommended UITFs. Click Submit. Now, pwede na mag-proceed. Select the COP or Certificate of Participation for redemption. Click Proceed. Select what BDO account nyo mapupunta yung redeemed fund. Then, click Submit. And there you go. Makikita nyo dito sa taas na our redemption was completed successfully. After cut-off time tayo nag-transact, so it will be processed on the next banking day. Click Close. You'll notice dito sa main dashboard, wala na yung redeem natin. If you log in to your BDO account, as mentioned earlier, di pa naka-credit, so di pa yan mag-reflect. Don't worry, you can also check your email to confirm the redemption request. The money does not go back instantly. It usually takes 2 to 5 business days to settle, depending on the type of fund. After that, the amount will be credited to your nominated deposit account. But just keep in mind, you'll get the net asset value per unit or NAV on the day na pumasok yung redemption request. So if the market's down that day, it could affect your gains. On the dashboard, you'll see yung real-time estimates, hindi yung final computed redemption amount. Makikita nyo din yan dito sa email. Submission date is May 14, but transaction date is May 15. And it says here sa baba, your redemption will be processed once the applicable NAV of the fund becomes available. So after a few days, for me, it took 5 banking days, natanggap ko na yung funds. I received a confirmation email and confirmed na pumasok na sa account ko. So, as explained earlier, depende kung kailan na-place yung transaction. The gains we're expecting is around 2.6K, but we actually got around 2.4K only. So, possible din na higher yan. It really depends on the value at that time. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Invest wisely. Bye!